What's up guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to make your disappearing effect in your video. That is, if you want to learn how to make someone to disappear in your video, just hop in. So we'll go straight into the video. So first of all, you record a video using a tripod. Make sure you are using a tripod to get this stability. So once you want to make the transition, that is the cut, the video won't shake, you understand? So you get your client and he moves out of the background. Make sure you allow the camera to keep rolling after he leaves the background to get that effect properly. When you open your CapCut app, you go to new project. So you look for the video you want to use for this effect. So you just go straight and pick up your video. Make a video. Click on add. Choose the specific parts that you want to use. So is it. So you just look for where the specific place you want the client to disappear. So you see, I want him to disappear immediately. He finished this, and so here you cut the video, then you allow him to go out of the frame, split again, then you delete this first part. Then you can see this effect showing. Get, then you can delete the remaining part of the video. Then you can add some sound effects here to make it more realistic. You can add some sound effects, then you can add some effects, but I'll be teaching that one in another video. I'll be teaching how to add those disappearing effects, the sound effects, and stuff like that in another video. So I would love you to comment down below so I'll know which I'll do first, you understand? So this is how to just create that simple effect. Okay, in order to add this effect I'm talking about, this sound I'm talking about, to this audio, you go to sound, you search for whoosh. Look at the video. Once you are done, your video should look like this. If you're interested in learning how to make ghost effects in your video, click on this video to watch.